to request Dr. Panancia to please join us on stage.
Saluting our hardworking farmers and fisher folks, the backbone of our community. Of course, together with them is the Office of the Municipal Agriculturist, headed by Miss Judith Batik-Batik.
We would like also to welcome ang atong gabiyon ng panayang kakahon kung atong mga putasyon sa PIO farmers agrarian reform cooperative empowering through agriculture. Okay, sa liwat, ang aton mga participants, ang aton mga contingent sa kinalain ng mga ahensya, it aton, evaluate kapian, nga may una pa riya nga space sa walang bahin. Ya sa walang bahin, it aton nga plaza.
And first, together with our fisher folks and farmers, are the LFARMC or the Lunoy Farmers Agrarian Reform Cooperative.
So saunan guys, makita natin yung mga sumbasters ng Sapian Capiz. Sumbalides, no? Yan po. Nakatutok tayo sa Sumbalides Telebutan Festival. Yung dalang-dala nakadala ng banner nila, isang laki. At yung members, mga babae. No? Isa ka lang gidya nga lalaki?
Dancing with joy and energy.
So ito yung Zumba Girls. Sumbalides ng Sapian guys, no? Ayan po. Morning! Sumbalides ng Sapian. Ayan po guys, no? Hindi pa tapos yung parade. Mayroon pa. Palangaw. So yung nakalagay sa banner is Palangaw. Palangaw Organization. Mga iba't iba sigurong karakter ito. Mga mayroong special karakter sa Sapian.
Yes, this is truly Iwan Sapian, the Telebutan 2025. In all walks of life. Dito lang po, ang ari na diri, yawon makaroon, lagahon, para sa pasitungog, itatang padagyaw sa Telebutan 2025.
Of course, the month-long preparation has now come to the beginning of the 8-day-long celebration, partner.
Umpisa pa lang niya, partner, ha? Remember, this is the first and the kick-off ang yaton nga Telebutan
Sir El Supremo, maraming salamat for watching. Thank you so much for being there, watching for my live coverage only here at Sapian Capiz for Telebugan Festival 2025. El Supremo, maraming salamat sir at regards sa family mo dyan at sa trupa natin. Thank you so much sir El Supremo, the master of Panay Vloggers and Content Creators Association. Thank you so much sir.
Yes, tama ka partner kay Tanan. Empleyado man sa gobyerno, maestra ka man, estudyante ka man ng impact at gift partner sa pagpreparar sa atong Telebugan 2025.
Oh, nagtawanan na na ang mga PHW natin. Diba? Igniting the true spirit of Telebugan. Ang pag-Telebugan PHW. Igniting the spirit of unity and pride. Yan. The flaming PHW.
So ito sir, ma'ams, guys, no? Ikutan natin yung paligid dito lamang sa Municipal Public Plaza ng Sapian, no? At yung iba nagprepara na yan para sa opening demonstration maya-maya lang pagkatapos nitong Grand Parade, no? So mayroon tayong narinig dyan na mayroong drum and lyre exhibition ng Sapian National High School at yung ibang demonstration na rin, no? So yung municipal officials magkita natin sa grandstands or sa main stage ng Sapian Public Plaza, no? Yun po, no? Nakatutok tayo sa kanilang LED wall na mayroong nakasulat Telebugan 2025, yung Municipal Mayor June, no? Na kaibigan natin mabait na mayor, andyan, no? Nakatayo. At yung kasama na rin yung vice mayor niya, no? Sa giliran at yung mga sangguniang bayan members. Yan po, at ito yung mga contingent members, participants ng Grand Parade, no? Dito sa Telebugan Festival 2025. Sir Samuel, maraming salamat. Mads Jenaline, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you Mads at sa iyong pamilya. Maraming salamat sa patuloy mong suporta sa akin. Maraming salamat Mads. Regards kay Pari Jan, no? Pari Joe, at sa mga kasama nating mga mekaniko nyo dyan, no? Maraming salamat.
And of course, supporting local festivities, our valued business establishments and sponsors. We have Palawan Pawn Shop. Pag may kailangan ka, ipalawan mo na.
Why? Kuskus Malungos, Palawan Pawn Shop.
Palawan, baka naman.
Okay, at kami nabiyabirong mga private sectors, ang Palawan Pawn Shop, na may una pa riyang space na wala kamahin. Atin man, nabiyabirong ng pagpartisipar in M. Louis.
Of course, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Hello ma'am. Gani na para ma'am.
And of course, Cebuana Luwilier. Of course, we would also like to thank Sandy Gabriel.
vloggers. What a spectacular way to begin Tilibugan 2025. Once again, let's give a bigger applause to all our parade participants.
From the vibrant clubs to our talented performers and our broad
Katulad na mama.
community leaders. Truly, Sapian is united in heart and courage. We are overjoyed to welcome you all to the vibrant and spectacular opening ceremony of our much-awaited Tilibugan 2025 Kapistahan sa Bangladesh in Sapian. In honor of our dearest patroness, Nuestra Señora Santa Ana.
Today is more than just a celebration. It is a proud display of our unity and gratitude and the joyful spirit that lives in every Sabiano heart.
Let the streets shine with happiness.
Let the drum beat loud and proud.
Let our banners wave, a symbol of our pride and heritage.
The fiesta begins now. Sabiano!
Viva Santa Ana!
Viva Sabihan!
Viva Tilibugan 2025!
At this point, to formally begin our program, may I request everybody to please stand as we honor this moment in the Lord for His grace, His protection, and blessings. He continues to pour upon our beloved town through a prayer to be led by Reverend Father Erwin Baez of St. Anne Parish Priest, Roman Catholic Church, together with the Reverend Father Reynaldo Campos, St. Anne Parish Priest of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente, and Pastor Renelo.
So dyan po guys, no, nakatotok tayo sa kanilang main stage, no.